Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets, capital alphabets and rewriting the missing letters. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all the color pencils. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, sky blue color, brown color, pink color, green color, violet color, blue color. Okay. Let's draw the alphabets. Orange color. A for apple. A for apple. Pink color. B for ball. B for ball. Blue color. C for cat. C for cat. Violet color. D for dog. D for dog. Green color. E for egg. EGG egg. Pink color. F. Pink color. F. FISH fish. Brown color. G. Which letter kids? G. G for goat. G after H. G after H. H for hat. HAT hat. Orange color. I. Which letter kids? I. I for ink. I for ink. Pink color. I after J. J for joker. J for joker. J after K. Light green color. K. K for kite. KITE kite. Black color. L. Black color. L. M for lion. Brown color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Sky blue color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Light green color. N after O. O for orange. O for orange. Yellow color. P. P for pig. PIG pig. Red color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Blue color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Violet color. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Green color. T. T for table. T for table. Pink color. T after U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for van. V for van. Orange color. V after W. W for watermelon. Light pink color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Violet color. Y. X after Y. Y for yellow. Green color. Z. Z for zebra. Okay. Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.